All right, everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Conversation. Today we're going to be talking about Doge, everyone's favorite little meme, and one of the most popular first entries into crypto.
Everybody's heard of Doge.
Yeah.
Everybody. Whether it's through Elon Musk, through advertisements on the side of buses, pretty much everybody's seen that little Shiba Inu. I think that's what it is, right? That kind of dog.
It's like the Hulk Hogan of crypto, basically. Yeah. Everyone knows what it is, but
is there value behind it?
Is there value behind it? Well, the idea of Doge was a joke, and it wasn't intended to make anyone any money. It wasn't an investment. It was literally just a coin that was to be used for tipping. It's a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain with a lot faster blocks, huge supply. It's not there to make anyone rich. It's just for fun.
And it was like invented in 2013 or something. This is an old meme coin.
So people have hundreds of millions of this stuff just lying around. You can merge mine it for free with your Litecoin miner. But then something happened.
What was that?
The other year. Doge exploded in price. I mean, this thing just
under a
ripped
penny
up as soon as Elon Musk decided to screw with banks and institutions that were getting into crypto and getting into Bitcoin. He said, you know what, screw your Bitcoin, I'm all about Doge. And everyone who was holding Doge was like, oh, look at that. And the mass adoption just came in and ripped because Doge was so cheap. It was fractions of a penny.
It was cheap, the perception of cheap, right? Because it was just a penny, right? But it was really tens of billions of dollars of market cap.
Yes.
So it wasn't cheap from that respect.
No.
Right?
And so why is market cap so important to look at rather than price?
Some people don't even know what market cap is. So if you're one of those people who say, this is a coin that I'm going to buy because it's cheap, because it's 1 cent, well, listen up. Because that means nothing, right? Price without context of supply means nothing. So a market capitalization is the supply of how many shares or how many tokens are circulating, right? How many are issued versus or multiplied by the price. So you have the price times the shares or the coins, that equals the market cap. So the market cap is the valuation of the entire network. And so when you say, Matic, right, is cheaper than Solana, for instance, you could say that. You could say, oh, look, Matic has, $1.50, Solana's, $20. It's cheaper. But look at the market cap. Solana has a higher market cap than Matic. So it's actually not cheaper. So
that means it's going to be harder to move that price.
Yeah.
Because every single coin has to raise in price, not just the one you want to buy or the ones you're holding.
But I feel bad about the Dogecoin because I've shit on Dogecoin a lot, and I ate my words last year. I have a story to tell. Rob, if you're listening, I'm sorry. Rob asked me one day, it was January of 2021. We were just talking crypto, and he's like, yeah, I heard about Dogecoin. What do you think about Dogecoin? And this was really like when DeFi was taking off, everything was pumping, and I was like, dude, out of all the coins, of course, this is not personal financial advice, I'm just giving you my opinion. I think Dogecoin's a shit coin. I don't think that there's much strong community or momentum or anything behind it. So I would say skip it, and if you're gonna put the money in Dogecoin, just put it in Bitcoin and something like that. And then Dogecoin, like within 4 months after that, went up, like I'm pretty sure it went up 50 times. Like he could have retired, like with the amount of money he asked to put in, and so I feel bad because scams sometimes do pump, and memes do have momentum behind them and stuff. And you got to be a trader, right? There's a difference between trading and investing. And Dogecoin, while maybe not a great investment, it's liquid, it's everywhere, people know it, it's got a lot of momentum. It could be a good trade. So got to understand the difference.
Yeah, very well said. And I also should say that lightning rarely strikes twice in this industry. So
it already had its blow up moment.
It already had its moment in the sun where it blew up. But there's a ton of new people in this Doge community. Now it's one of the most vibrant communities in the entire space.
Crazy.
And for the first time, the people who are coding the Doge network and being the core developers are saying, well, if so many people are using this, maybe we should add some value to it. And now some things are actually being built around supporting it. So we're going to stay tuned on Doge, and we wish the community nothing but the best.